new bag. We're here in Bangkok, Dior Cafe! This is our first time na mag-visit sa Dior Cafe. Hindi sila nag-accept ng walk-in actually. Need yung pumunta sa website ng Dior. This Dior Cafe is actually made of gold. So, ang tawag nila dito is Gold Glass House Dior Cafe. So, actually, kapag hindi ka nakapag-book, pwede naman kayo mag-take ng photos dito sa labas. Meron doong tuk-tuk made of bamboo. So, yung loob daw ng Dior Cafe is made of bamboo. And yung menu ng Dior Cafe is gawa ni Mauro Colagreco. So, Mauro Colagreco, he is a 3-star Michelin star. The last time we went here in Bangkok, sa Louis Vuitton Cafe lang kami nakapunta. And if you're in Bangkok, this is one-of-a-kind experience. Hindi naman lahat ng country merong Dior Cafe yan. Quick trivia lang, pagkapasok natin sa loob, makikita mo agad yung installation ng mga sikat na Thai artist. Isa sa pinaka-highlight dito is the bamboo work by Korakot Aromli. Isa sa pinakasikat na Thai designers and artists sa buong mundo. Hindi lang siya basta artist, siya rin ang utak sa likod ng brand na Korakot. Iba kasi yung alam kong Korakot eh, for sure kayo din. Charis! Ang galing kasi, instead the standard luxury decor lang, they use local Thai art para magmukhang mas unique, organic, and cultural yung space. It's also their way of showing respect sa culture ng Thailand, kaya bagay na bagay yung concept nila. So kasama ko ulit si Sis Mark, and as usual, naghanap po siya ng pogi. Nandito po ang aking napaka-supportive na husband. So, sobrang supportive niya, siya nang nagsuot ng bag ko. At ito po si Sir Edmar, isa pong napaka-supportive din na kaibigan natin sa pagninegosyo. So, sobrang supportive niya, ibiglaan siya nag-book dito sa Thailand. Even the comfort room, bamboo inspired din. And even the hand soap and hand cream sa restroom, Dior din. So the price of coffee ranges around 280 to 300 Thai baht, so that's around 600 in Philippine peso, while the signature dessert and cakes can go up to 390 to 600 Thai baht, so that's around 1,150 in Philippine peso. So ayan, kaka-video ko, nahulog tuloy yung phone sa cake. So honestly, gets ko kung bakit dinadayo siya. Hindi lang kasi siya cafe. It's really the whole experience. Sa mga mahiling mag-travel and mahilig din sa bags and luxury, isa to sa magandang place to visit Thailand. So tip ko lang ha, mag-book kayo ahead of time para mas ma-enjoy niyo yung experience. Kasama ang friends and family while appreciating the masterpiece of Thai designers. At the end of the day, ang totoong binabayaran naman dito isn't just the coffee or cakes. It's the experience, the memories, and the moments.